Hare Krishna everyone and good evening from Switzerland. Welcome to another vlog of mine with Maharashtrian cooking. All the dishes that I have tried up to now are dishes that were first time cooked by me and first time I tried them. And in today's video I will make Pithala and Kothimbir Vadi for the first time, and these two recipes were recommended by you. The Pithala, the lady in the comments wrote it very kindly, step by step how I do, so I will try to cook it. Hare Krishna. So okay, for the Pithala I'm reading directly from the comments of the AV. Thank you very much for recommending this, and thank you very much for taking your time to write in detail this recipe.
Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopala Nandala. Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopala Nandala. Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopala Nandala. Krishna
Okay, this is now 5 minutes later. The consistency is thick because the lady wrote that the consistency has to be like a thick soup or sauce. So that's it, and then garnish with fresh coriander. And it looks great. Okay, the Pithala is ready. It was quite fast and easy, quick and easy, and I hope I did all the steps well. The next preparation is Kothimbir Vadi. This is a big challenge for me because it's a lot of coriander in there. I bought 2 packets of coriander because in the recipe is written 2 cups of coriander. Cello. I believe I have to use only the leaves, not the stems from the coriander. So I'm just gonna do that.
Govinda, Gopala Nandala. Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopala Nandala. Krishna Govinda.
So put it down. Sesame seeds in the recipe is 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Freshly squeezed lime juice. Okay, lime juice. So here we go with the rice flour. It gives crispiness. Make it without water. Now we will make it without water. So okay, I'm gonna mix like this. He says in the video that I should little bit like squeeze it in my hand so that the coriander can release water. Okay, then we have to add little bit, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix it. And it's really forming like a dough. Look. My god, this is so interesting. Who would have said I will make a dish with so much coriander? This is, in one video I mentioned that this was the only spice I didn't like, and was really took me many years to fall in love with coriander, with fresh coriander. Okay, I made a dough now. And he says we should pour a little bit oil over it. Okay, let's do it.
Govinda, Govinda, Gopala Nandala. Krishna Govinda, Govinda, Gopala Nandala. Gopala Nandala.
Okay, as you can see, I made the dough, and it says that we have to steam it in a steamer. I don't have a steamer, so I'm doing some jugaad here. I use this bread form I will put oil in it and press the dough inside.
Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopalananda.
I'm having a sneak peek inside. It's good, it's still in one piece, it's not falling apart, that's a good thing. Okay, 12 minutes ho gaya. I'm going to turn this off. Hare Krishna. Wow, looks great. I will leave it for 2-3 minutes to cool down a little bit and then we will cut. इसकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है. Wow, I'm so happy for the recommendation. Okay, dear friends, I'm about to try another Maharashtrian dish, Kothimbir Vadi and Pithala. I have also some rice from lunch left, so this will be my dinner. Let's dive into it. First, I will try the Pithala. Oh. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I just bit into a chili. Wait, I have to take some rice. Oh, fire. It is super tasty, but I think instead of 2 chilies I have to put 1 chili. I'm not so much fan of hot, like medium hot to less hot. I think for you Indian people will be like, what is this, peanuts? It's not so hot, but for me it's like fire. Let me try one more bite. Yes, now I had a bite without chili and it's super delicious, super soft. Thank you so much. And now the Kothimbir Vadi. For this I'm a little bit nervous because in one video I explained that fresh coriander, it took me many years to fall in love with fresh coriander, but once I tried, it was like wow. And this preparation is 80% of fresh coriander only, so let's see. Wow. Heaven on earth. Oh my god. I have an idea. Wow. From the bottom of my heart, thank you my dear friends for recommending these recipes. I'm gonna dip now the Kothimbir Vadi into the Pithala like this and try it in this way. Seriously, this is heaven on earth. And I must say again and again, Maharashtrians know how to enjoy life, how to enjoy good food. It's amazing. Thank you so much. Now, I have been wondering why I find Maharashtrian dishes so interesting. Because I have tried many different dishes from around India, South India, Central India, from Uttar Pradesh, from Bengal, but only recently I discovered Maharashtrian recipes because a friend of mine recommended, and like that I started cooking and I started falling more and more in love with Maharashtrian kitchen. And I think because this food has the most flavored and diverse ingredients in one dish. For example, take the bakarvadi. It was explosion of taste, like sweetness from the tamarind chutney, and then hot, and then salty, and then the texture, or even the upma, you know, it's somehow something, some people think it's a boring preparation, but the texture, it is an amazing, perfect combination of softness and crunchiness. So I think that is the reason why Maharashtrian kitchen is amazing. Now, I'm sorry from the chili, my nose started working. And then I have another question for you. I eat with my hands always, but I'm never using this finger. This finger always points out, and I go like this. Because it is considered to be muchi finger. Like even when we change japa, this finger points out of the japa bag. But already two friends in the comments, one in the comment and one personally, told me that why do you eat like with this finger pointing out? We Indians, we use all 5 fingers like this. So I'm just very, very curious to know, how do you eat? Do you use spoon? Or if you eat with hands, do you use all 5 fingers, 4 fingers, or is this pointing out? How? That's just a curious question from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and दिखाने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद। अब से अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं एक नया कुकिंग वीडियो के साथ। हरे कृष्णा एंड शुभ रात्रि।